Gusto ko na lang marinig yung definition ng isa't isa ng healthy conflict.
Yung nag-aaway kayo pero naglilinis kayo ng bahay.
Ito yung discussion na you're gearing towards a solution.
Palitan ng ideas. However high the tones are, you end up with a conversation or with a meeting na okay kayo. Tapos magla-lunch kayo together without thinking na, uy, nagsigawan tayo.
Brainstorming, and nag-share kayo ng ng ideas, nag-pitch ng ideas. Pero walang sakitan, ganun, walang batagulan. May common goal, ganun.
Alam mo na hindi kayo nagko-conflict dahil magkaaway kayo, pero nagko-conflict kayo dahil gusto nyong maayos yung dapat nyong maayos or mabuo yung gusto nyong mabuong solution.
Ay, magsigawan tayo. Pero okay pa rin kaya?
Yung hindi kayo nagpe-personalan. Tapos, when you're arguing, your parang common goal is for the team pa din, for the company pa din.
Kapag kaya nyong mag-argue and magbigay ng point without having to raise your voice kasi alam mo you're being heard.